What's up, what's up, what's up? You're back with your boy, Mr. Lou. To who? Mr. Lou. To who? Mr. Lou to you. And we're back with another Learning with Lou.
Oh, it's about that time. You learn. Let's get it. Oh, it's about that time. You learn. Let's get it. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Hey, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. Learning with Lou, Lou, Lou. Learning with Lou, Lou, Lou to you. Learning with Lou, Lou, Lou. Learning with Lou, Lou, Lou to you. Oh, what time it is. You know what time it is. Oh, what time it is. You know what time it is. Learning with Lou, 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 Lou. Learning with Lou, learning with Lou, 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 Lou. Learning with Lou.
Here's another Ask Lou. We're having to do more studying because they're doing double-digit multiplication, and it's a struggle. But we'll get through it. If and when you have your segment, please tag me. We've watched your previous videos, and she loves them. Thanks for being on standby. Stay there for me. All right, so as you can see, there's been some parents that wanted to ask Lou. And so one of our parents said that she was having some problems with doing double-digit multiplication, and it was a struggle for them. So I definitely want to help that parent out, and I want to thank you for asking Lou. So as she said, she was having some struggles with the double-digit multiplication. But don't worry, because your boy Lou got you. So one of the ways that I found it to be easier to multiply is to do what we call partial product multiplication. So first thing that we're going to do, we're going to multiply 73 times 42. These two are called our factors. A number that's being multiplied by another number, those are considered to be our factors. And we're going to multiply our factors to find our product, which is the answer to a multiplication problem. So first thing you want to do, you want to draw you a box. And in the box, you're going to have as many boxes as the numbers that you see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in our problem, and I'm going to have 4 boxes. So I'm going to take this first number, and I'm going to break it down based off its place value. Again, I'm going to break it down based off its place value, meaning this number is in the ones place value, so it's considered to be a 3. This number is in the tens place value, so I take this number, and however many numbers behind it, I put that as a 0. So there's a 7, there's one number behind it, so there's 1 0. And we're going to do the same thing for this number. The 2 is in the ones place value, so it stays 2. And the 4 is in the tens place value, so it's going to become 40. And what you're going to do, you're going to put these numbers on the outside of your box. Again, you're going to put the numbers that you've broken up based off their place value on the outside of the box. Starting with 73. I'm going to put 70 above this box and 3 above the next box. Then I'm going to take 40 and put it on the side. 40 by this box and the 2 by this box. You got me so far? Now it's time to multiply. So to make it easier, what I tell my students to do, you're doing like tic-tac-toe, you're crossing. Each number have to be able to match each number. So I'm going to take the 4 and multiply it by the 7. I'm only looking at the first digit. So I'm taking the 4 and I multiply it by the 7. And I know 4 times 7 is 28. And between the two numbers, how many zeros are in that number? That's 1 0 and 2 zeros, so I'm going to include 2 zeros. Then I'm going to do the 40 and the 3, and it goes in this box. 4 times 3 gives us 12. And between the two numbers, how many zeros? 1 0. Now I'm going to take the 70 and the 2, and it goes in this box. 2 times 7 gives us 14. And between these two numbers, how many zeros? 1. And finally, in this box, we're going to do the 2 times the 3, which gives us a 6. Now we're almost done. Now the last part is we're going to take each number that we have inside the box and we're going to add them all together. 2,800 plus 120 plus 140 plus the 6. And we're going to add them all together. And that should give us a product of 3,066. Let's go back over it. That I needed to multiply with each other. So I broke the factors up based off their place value. I created me a box and made sure that I had 4 boxes in it to represent each digit. So then I broke them up. I put my 70 from the 73 and my 3 at the top of the box. And then I put my 40 from the 40 and the 2 on the side of the box. Then I did a crossing of multiplying just the first digit of each number. And between those digits, I made sure that I included however many zeros was in those numbers. And I got different numbers in my boxes. I added them together. How you do partial product with Mr. Lou. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And don't forget, go and practice. That's the best way to learn. And if you have any other questions, don't forget to ask Lou. Make sure you follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, because you'll see Mr. Lou. I got a new TikTok coming out today. So make sure you follow me and don't forget to learn with Lou. Have a blessed day. I hope to see you guys again.
Oh, it's about that time. Let's get it. Oh, it's about that time. Let's get it. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what time it is.